Hi, I'm Mansi Thapar. I'm Global Head Information Security for Jaquar Group. I've got 20 years of IT experience in all verticals of IT. Our main challenge was that we moved from 0% work from home to 100% work from home in matter of 4 days. And you can understand the manufacturing units and how we coped up with that was our biggest challenge. If you look at the customer behavior, now the customer, because you know that we are into bathroom manufacturing, units. So basically everybody wants to see or talk to us, in a physical platform. But now the customer doesn't want to come, but they are ready to look at, virtual kind of bathrooms which we have created, and they're ready to go for collaboration tools like WebEx and Zoom, and we are doing meetings there, and we are closing the deals. So that is a big change we see in the customer behavior, and we are also, working a lot to get these collaboration tools and get these new innovative ideas where the customer can imagine bathrooms sitting at home and then, give us the orders. So one is that. What other change which I have seen is security. All companies, the focus has really now moved to information and data security because, as you know, the parameter has shifted. We don't have any, networks and firewalls, and there's a set parameter office where people need to work. So a lot of importance has been given to security, even from the board. So that is something which is a huge shift we have seen. In my industry, specific to manufacturing, what we are seeing is that there is a lot of focus on, automated style of working, like, getting in a lot of robots, getting in a lot of automation, AI, ML kind of tools. Secondly, as I said, that for customer, getting in a lot of technology-driven tools where sitting at home, buying can be done. Thirdly, we are coming up with online portals, which was not in our, 1 or 2 years of planning, but we are bringing up dealer managed online portals where people can go and buy. Otherwise, buying a bathroom, you would have never seen, anybody selling it online. But that is something which we see a lot of changes there, where things are, and technology, as I said, a lot of technologies are now coming up in security, where a lot of, endpoint security is going to be the major focus, which we see, and a lot of tools are coming in. So my top priorities are cyber resilience being one, because earlier it was like, how are you preventing things? But now I think we need to be prepared that anything can happen. So how quickly, if something goes down, how quickly, we can be back to business. So cyber resilience is going to be one. Second is there is a lot of, discussion going on privacy and privacy laws, and, how the personal data is being protected. And there's a lot of compliance around it. So that is going to be my second, priority for this year. And third is, of course, cloud and cloud adoption and cloud security, because we were already on private cloud when the pandemic hit us. So we were lucky at that point that we didn't have to, bend a lot of tools and bend a lot of things and, move to cloud unplanned. But yes, now the public cloud is also our focus. And we are working on public cloud, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS are some of the focus areas. Where technologies are concerned, I would say cloud security is one which is an emerging technology, which we are really, looking at, that how we can manage the cloud, because now the parameter is not there. Cloud is with someone else. So how am I, looking at my security there? So that is something in which, I see a lot of technologies emerging. And second is, yes, endpoint security. That is a big thing. So I would say EDR solution is something which all organizations should look at, where you can manage your endpoints centrally and, contain them if there is anything happening in security, and of course some DLP tools where data protection can be. That is the top priority. Yeah, so my future outlook is that yes, we'll see multi-fold digitalization happening in manufacturing. We'll see multi-floor, agile kind of security which is being taken care of. A lot of new opportunities being created, where there'll be a lot of tools, lot of skills required for the IT people to come in and, work. So I think I see a good future for manufacturing as well as IT in the coming years.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.